is how to remove music from your Facebook profile. So first, go ahead and open your Facebook application or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then after, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap on your profile in order to go to your profile page. Then scroll down and there you'll get the section of music. Go ahead and tap on it. Just tap on this pencil icon beside it. And here again, tap on the pencil icon beside the music. And you'll get this minus icon that is beside the music that you've set. Go ahead and tap on it. Then go ahead and choose the audience and select only me and then tap on done in the bottom and tap on save again to confirm. Now come back and refresh your profile page and the music will be gone from your profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.